to my office decluttering edition of the challenge. Today we're elevating your desk and your workspace and turning your office into a productivity powerhouse. Let's clear the clutter and create a space that inspires focus and creativity. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom organizing design service. We're on day 18 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge. Feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Today's all about your office desk and supplies. Whether you're working from home, managing a household, or pursuing creative projects, a clear workspace makes a difference. Let's jump in. Clear the surface. Start with a blank slate if possible. Take everything off your desk. Yes, everything. Give it a good wipe down and let that fresh, clean surface set the tone for what's next. Now only bring back essentials. Think about what you use daily, like if it's a planner, your laptop, a pen cup, or a small decor piece that you love. Office supplies, sort and simplify. It's time to tackle those drawers, if you have them, or supply bin. Sort it out. Gather all the office supplies in one spot. Group similar items together. You know, those pens, sticky notes, paper clips, you get it. Evaluate. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Is this still in good condition? Let go of dried out markers or anything you haven't touched in months. Donate extras you don't need that are still in good condition to schools or community centers. Any duplicates of stuff you can put into a section labeled extras so you don't feel the need to rebuy it. Now, organize what you're keeping. Drawer organizers or small bins work wonders to keep everything tidy and accessible. And just like that, you achieved desk bliss. A tidy desk isn't just a pretty sight. It's your secret weapon for focus and creativity. How does your workspace look now? Let me know in the comments. If you're loving this challenge, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're ready for tomorrow's mission. Spoiler alert, we're diving into your purse or bag. It's going to be a game changer. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey! Before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!